Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about React 18 and I hope you enjoy all the videos which we have done yet using React 18. So today we are doing another video related to React 18 and today we'll be learning about different tags using React 18, and in this video I will be telling you what is styling in React 18 and how to do styling in React 18, like what tags we will be using to style our like any of the thing, like if we want to style our text, if we want to style our paragraph which we write, or all this stuff. So I'll be telling you how to style that. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to just style anything using React 18. And if you want to see more videos like that related to React 18, so hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell, for which you will be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things, and I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos also. So in the next video, we'll be covering up more other things related to React 18. But in this video, I will be telling you, like I'm telling you, about styling. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is styling in React 18 and how to use it from start to end. Just telling you, in today's video, I will be telling you what is styling in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is styling in React 18. So for just do styling in React 18, you have to open your VS Code like previously we were opening. So here you can see I've opened my VS Code text editor. Now when you've opened this, just here you have to move to your folder, and here we are just working with our folder which is called app1, and it is stored in local disk E. So here I will be opening my folder which is on desktop. So here I will be now moving. So just open this. Then after moving here, you have to move to press open folder. Then you have to move to desktop, or you can say local disk C, because here we have stored the folder, and this is the app1 folder from which we'll be working. So I'll be pressing select folder to open this. You can see the app1 folder has been opened and we are getting this app.js file. We will be working here. Previously we were working on rendering list, or you can say list rendering. So in this video I'll be telling you about styling. So here I will be now just going to terminal, and then I will be running my command here. So here I will be writing npm start, and after writing npm start, you can see our app is now running here. So it will be opening in my default Microsoft Edge browser. I'll be removing all this stuff like render and UL list because we will be not needing. Remove this import tags also. Just directly you have to save here, and now all the things is perfect. You will be getting an empty page in your default browser. So if your default browser is Google Chrome or Opera browser, so it will be opening in that. If your browser is Microsoft Edge or any other one, so it will be opening in that. So you can see here it will be taking some time to open, and these are the functions which we'll be using. And in this function I will be telling you how to just style your text. So here now it will be running. So you will be getting the command of starting development server on this terminal here. So we have to wait a while till it will be running, and after running we'll be starting. You can see now it is having a loading option, means it is running our development server in our Microsoft Edge browser, which is default, and we are getting starting development server. I'll be doing it side by side. Coding search will be at the left, and at the right we'll be writing getting interface side. So now here you can see it is saying starting the development server, and in some minutes it will be starting that, and then we will be getting our localhost. You can see it is saying that compiled successfully and your localhost network is here. So we'll be closing because now we'll be not needing. So we have to start the styling. So for doing styling in React 18, first of all you have to download Bootstrap. So for downloading Bootstrap, you have to move to Google, and after moving Google, you have to write here Bootstrap CDN, not the icon CDN, normal Bootstrap CDN you have to download. So I'll be moving to introduction Bootstrap. After moving here, you have to copy this link of CSS here directly. So here you have to move. Then you can copy it by using the copy button which we are getting here, or you can copy it directly by doing like this. So here I'll be copying, pasting it. Now remember to do one thing here. Like here you have to close it by writing this slash here, and remove this close link tag, because in React 18 or in React, we will be not needing close tags. We will be closing it with this slash here. In HTML, we need a close tag of any tag which we just created. But in React or React 18, we will be not needing. Now you have to make it in one line. So here I will be taking this thing down like this. First of all, this thing should be down directly here. Then I will be taking this integrity down. Then you have to move here. After moving here, take this O to capital. Then you have to take this thing also down and take this also down. Now you can see it is in line. Just you have to save this here. After saving, you can see nothing happens because just we have pasted the link and we have just not written anything. Now if I just write any text here, like in H1, if I write this is, or you can say styling like this, I'll be writing this is styling. here like this I should be also capital because first letter is capital. Now we are getting this is styling written here. Now when you are getting this here, if you want to style it, you have to move in this h1 open tag. After moving here, if you want that this tag should be in the center of the page, so for doing that you have to write a style tag. In style tag I'll be writing tag center. Remember one thing, if your bootstrap CDN link is not being pasted in your app.js file, so it will be not working. Remember, first of all, do that things which I have telling you, then you have to write these all stuff which I am telling you to write. Your h1 will be working, but your styling which you will be doing in style tag will be not working if you have not pasted this link. So remember to do that. Now if I will be saving, if I just do one thing here, you can see now we are not getting it because here we are just getting that our origin is just here. So here I will be now doing one thing, like here I will be doing like this. Here I will be moving and then I'll be writing here bootstrap cdn like this. Now when you've written this, just I will be moving here get started bootstrap, and after moving to get started bootstrap you have to just move down after this. Okay, so here you have to move at the back. After moving back, just press this, and after pressing just you have to now move down, and this is the link here which you have to just copy. So here this is the bootstrap link, just you have to copy it here, paste it. After pasting, just close it by writing this slash here. Now you have to save it. Then if I move here, reload, so you can see this is the thing which we are getting, but we are just not getting our bootstrap cdn here. So I will be making it full screen to check what the problem is coming. So here we have to do one thing, like here I will be moving down, and after moving down we have to do one thing, like I'll be moving at the back. Then you have to open Google again. After opening here, I'll be writing bootstrap cdn. So when you open, just you have to move here. After moving here, we have to now just do one thing. I will be now copying the link here of bootstrap cdn. Okay, so we have to just copy this one link. If I just copy this link directly, so here if I just copy it, now you have to move here. Then if I just paste it here, now paste, and after pasting just you have to close this, save this. Then here you have to save. So here you can see we are not getting. So here I will be doing one thing, I will be just writing text center. So if I write here text center like this, so here I will be saving it. Now you can see we are getting our text here, but it is not in center. If I just show you, you can see this, we are getting the text but it is not in center. So for doing that, you have to now just write here style, and in style I will be writing here bg info. If I write this save, you can see just it is having this style. You can see the style effect has been changed. If I show you, this is the font size which we are getting it here, means our font has been changed here. You can see the font size, or you can say font family has been changed. And if I remove this link, so you will be seeing we are getting different font family. You can see this is the font family. Then if I take it back, you can see this is the font family. So this was the styling which I want to show you here using this bootstrap. So problem was coming that we have just pasted the wrong link from the wrong website. So remember to just paste this one link here to work with bootstrap, and now it is good. So we have just now pasted successfully perfect link, and now we are getting our font family changed here by using this bootstrap link here. So like this you can do styling in bootstrap. This is simple way to do styling in bootstrap. Just I've telling you the basics how to do styling, and then in the coming up videos I'll be telling you how to do the text in center and how to give background color to your text using React 18. We have learned in React how to just give background color, but in React 18 we have not learned that things. I will be soon telling you that all things in the coming up video. So just I hope you understand how to just do styling in React 18. And if you understand this video, so hit a like and subscribe on this channel, and also share this video so more people can learn. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.